We're now viewing the machine from the right front corner, viewing the rear of the machine from the front. We'll start the machine again and then demonstrate the adjustment of the band speed. Go ahead. The adjustment of blade speed or band speed is performed on the rear of the machine in the center of the base and is accomplished by rotating clockwise or counterclockwise a adjustment knob, which is decreasing the speed now in the counterclockwise direction, and in the clockwise direction will increase the band speed. Speed range is 100 to 800 feet per minute.